Hey Pan, can you release an interior product for the Clean by Pan Organizer lineup? I sure can, because I love listening to you guys and getting your feedback. So lo and behold, here it is, the Clean by Pan the Organizer Interior Quick Detailer. So what is this product? It's a product that does 2-in-1, right? So light to medium cleaning duties, all while providing protection in the form of UV protection and anti-static properties. It has everything and the kitchen sink that we threw in there. Lots of R&D, lots of testing to get to this point, but it's finally here. Available in 16 ounces or 473 milliliters, or the gallon size, or 3.79 liters. So in this video, you're gonna find out everything there is to know about it. And of course, don't worry, I'll include the links to all of this stuff in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. So all you have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So I'm filming this in early June of 2025. This is hot off the presses, guys. You can get this immediately on cleanbypan.com, in the US on thehouseofrags.com. And if you do so, shop on the House of Rags. Note that if you use code PAN, P-A-N, that's my name, you can save 10% on all of your order. And also if you order for more than 125 USD, you get free shipping as well. And also these products, like the rest of the Clean by Pan the Organizer lineup, will be available on Amazon as well. At the moment of this recording, early June, Amazon has received the majority of our products, but the way they work is you send it to a central location for the storefront, and then they distribute to the rest of their thousands of Amazon stores across the nation. So that's why maybe you're going to see some long shipping times at the beginning, but when everything gets readjusted and redistributed, you're going to get back to that super quick Amazon Prime shipping. So just be patient. We're working as hard as we possibly can with the Amazon crew to get this happening. But yeah, it's just amazing. So normally with these types of products, you know, the color wheel in the front represents the color of the liquid. Here, we just used this kind of beige sandy color to give it a color to distinguish it from the rest of the lineup. But note that the liquid inside there is dye-free. There's no coloring inside there. Just a beautiful fragrance, because the Clean by Pan the Organizer lineup is known for its amazing fragrances. This is no exception. This one here has a sweet melon scent. It is just awesome. Nothing overpowering though. So just for the application that's there, it's nothing that's going to linger in the vehicle, and it's very light. It's just to add some fun when you're using it, right? So we worked with perfumers, always quality grade stuff in there. For the products that do have dyes, they're food grade dyes, just top notch stuff. So what can I say about this quick detailer? First of all, this is the new labeling scheme. So we were able to keep the cool Clean by Pan the Organizer theme and logo, that clean aesthetics, but we also added up top, I was listening to viewer feedback, and in bold, we also added the type of product and the name of the product. Regardless of which angle it's in on your shelf, you're always going to know what product it is. And of course, we kept the simple naming scheme, right? If a product is an interior quick detailer, I name it interior quick detailer. Nothing confusing. So when you grab a bottle, you know immediately what the product's all about. And on the new labels, and we're going to roll them out as well for the first generation products that we had when we launched the brand, you're going to get all the health kind of stuff there with the pictograms. And of course, you always have access to the SDS sheets on the website by scanning the QR code. So that's important to me. And also, yeah, we get even more detailed and clear instructions on there. So this is idiot proof. You read this, take the time, and you're going to familiarize yourself. It basically tells you all what the product is about, what it does, and of course, all the surfaces it can be used it can be used on, right? So a quick detailer. This does not replace your long-term durability protection, right? If you have a leather sealant or a leather coating, that's the long-term stuff on your leather. If you have an interior ceramic coating, that's going to be there. This is for your maintenance. So weekly, bi-weekly, every month perhaps, because this only lasts a few weeks. We don't have any durability claim on this. It's a quick detailer, right? So this is meant for regular cleaning and protection. So light to medium kind of cleaning duties, and it's going to add protection in the form of a UV protection package, also anti-static properties. So of course, it's impossible to prevent 100% of dust, especially if you live in a dusty environment, you do a lot of mileage, but at least this helps to cut down on that a lot. And you see it in any vehicle we tried this on. That's one of the feedbacks that we get the most is, first of all, it leaves an OEM matte appearance, so you can't even tell that it's there. Whatever surface is there, it won't alter the look, feel, or nothing of that. It leaves that OEM matte appearance, so fresh from the factory look. It flashes off super quickly and nicely. Also, this does not contain any ammonia, so it's even safe on your tinted windows. So what are all the surfaces you can use this on, Pan? pretty much everything in your interior. So regardless if it's your leather surfaces, if it's your vinyls, your vegan leather, your plastics, your rubber, your aluminum or chrome trim, even open pore trim, wood plastic trim. Did I say plastics? Of course. What else? You can use this on infotainment displays, so your GPS navigation screens. This will not streak. It's just a breeze to work with. You can even use this on your piano gloss black trim. You know that gloss black trim inside the vehicle that somehow always accumulates smudges and fingerprints and dust and all that kind of stuff? This is perfect for that. And the use, we wanted to keep the use super simple. Oh, by the way, this I would not recommend on Alcantara. Alcantara, you don't want to mist with a lot of liquids on there because you can mat down kind of the fibers on there. So use specific Alcantara cleaners if you can. But for the rest, pretty much every interior surface, it just works fantastically well. This we did not make into a high foaming formula. According to the chemist that was working on this one, it was important because I wanted it to be compatible also on glass and on infotainment displays and on gloss black trim. I did not want something that would streak or leave any residue or kind of a film buildup behind. And he said with the foaming surfactants and all the stuff that he'd need to use, that would not have been possible. So I'm like, focus on performance. What we want is it for that cleaning and that protection properties, and that's exactly what we achieved here. So this is not a high sudsing or high foaming formula, and it won't leave any residue, right? So it buffs off streak free to use, super simple. Take whatever microfiber drying towel, a microfiber towel that you guys like. I like the interior towels from the House of Rags. I'll leave them linked in the description, but they work super well with that. It's just basic all-purpose towel. Let me show you that here if I can. Just grab one. Of course, everything else had to fall. So these towels here, they're perfect for interior use, whatever you guys are using it, whatever surface you're using it. Even on the exterior, they're called jobber towels, not for any reason, right? So they're 360, 365, 350 GSM, somewhere there, don't quote me. But they have some for the interior, they have some for the exterior, multi-purpose towels, and they just work super well, right? They're dual-sided as well, because you're gonna have one side that's a thinner kind of weave, and on the other side, a plusher. So I like to clean and scrub with one side and then buff to a streak-free shine on the second side. So to use this, pretty simple. Again, if you read the instructions, you're going to shake the product well before you're using. You're going to spray into your towel directly. Well, I don't like spraying onto the surfaces because you can have some overspray, and if you forget that, you're going to just have some droplets and then have to come back and wipe. You can do as you want, but the recommendation is always spray directly in the towel, and then you wipe on that surface, flip to the clean and dry side, you buff off to a streak-free shine, and that is it. Now, you guys are absolutely going to fall in love with this product because of its ease of use. I wanted, like everything else in the Clean by Pan lineup, we're not going to have 1,000 different interior cleaners, 500 different protections, and then you have to start to try and figure out, do I need a leather protection and a plastics protection and a rubber protection and something to clean the glass? And so it's never ending, right? So I like products that have multiple uses. So again, for maintenance, this is not replace your base layer of a long-term protection. This is not made for long-term durability. This is made for regular use. At most, once a month, and in the best case scenarios, once a week, once every 2 weeks. Whenever you do your maintenance, this is when you use it. Now, if you don't have any protection inside your vehicle, but you do keep up with maintenance, so at the bare minimum once a month, you can just use this if you want, and it can serve as your main protection as well if you want to. No problem with that, because it's still going to give you that UV protection and that anti-static properties. It's going to do that light to medium cleaning duties as well. You can pair this and use a interior brush if you want. We also have in the Clean by Pan, the organizer lineup, some cool brushes. We have boar hair brushes for the exterior, but for the interior, for delicate surfaces, they always come in a pack of 2. So we have these ultra soft brushes. The ergonomics are amazing. You can grab them like this. So a pack of 2, you get the long one and the short one. And of course, well, you get the Clean by Pan, the organizer logo. Can we zoom in here? There you go. So we have the branding that's on point, and you can use these to clean your delicate interior surfaces. They work super, super well. So I'll leave everything linked, by the way, don't worry about that. Or you can use your microfiber towels, you can use scrub pads, the Ninja scrub pads, for example, from Autofiber, whatever you guys use to clean your interiors, this works super well. So again, flashes off very, very quickly and nicely, leaves no residue behind. I cannot wait for you guys to grab this in your hands and use it. It's just, it's so good. And it smells just amazing when you're using it. That light fragrance, but again, The user experience, you're going to have it in your mind. Once you try this, you won't be able to switch back to anything else because you could use it pretty much, again, as I said, on pretty much all your interior surfaces, right? And I think I mentioned this here. It was important for me. Yes, no buildup or streaks. And also the chemistry, it's a pH neutral formula. So you don't have to worry what you're applying this on. It will not damage any interior surface. The only thing you don't recommend using this on is Alcantara. Once again, use Alcantara, that micro suede type surface. Use specific products for that. But you can get this 16 ounce, 473 mil. You can get this in a gallon size or 3.79 mils. And another quick thing, if you haven't seen that video yet, the other new product that I launched, let me grab it here off the shelf, that's also fresh off the press, is the exterior quick detailer. I'll leave that linked as well. Go check out the video. We have a few demos as well. You're going to see this in many future videos because it's just amazing. Again, this is just a few weeks of protection, not meant for your long-term, right? For the long-term spray, I have the ceramic spray sealant. This is meant to be used as a drying aid on a wet surface with your drying towel or on a dry surface like a quick detail spray. But this one, we focused on gloss, slickness like crazy, will not mask the existing protection. You can apply this on something that is unprotected or on a wax, a sealant, or a coating. You can also apply this on PPF, vinyl wraps, even matte surfaces. On matte surfaces, it will not make them glossy. It will make them darker and richer in appearance, kind of that jetting effect, beautifying the matte surfaces. And this one too flashes off nicely. Just great lubrication when you're using it as a drying aid. The results, nuts. Again, I can't wait for you guys to test this. This has the Jolly Rancher blue scent. This one here is a blue liquid, light blue. So you see the color wheel here, and it's just a breeze to use. It also has anti-static properties to help prevent as much as possible dust accumulation or attracting or repelling dust, should I say, so not attracting dust, and some UV protection. So kind of a sacrificial barrier on top of your existing protection. I am sure if you try this one too, you will never be able to switch to anything else. By the way, it was cool because when we launched this on the first day on the House of Rags, the boys, Eddie and Jamie, they immediately contacted me and they told me this was the #1 and #2 seller on the entire website. So I'm super proud. All of this, by the way, is thanks to you guys, my viewers. You've made the brand a global success. Because they're available in the USA at the moment of launch for the interior and exterior QDs, but they're soon going to be available in Canada, in the UK, in Europe, in Australia, in Brunei, also soon in Japan and Korea, and many more countries that we're going to add in the future. If you grab this in the USA, you can go on cleanbypan.com or on Amazon. We have an Amazon storefront, or on the House of Rags. If you do shop on the House of Rags, use code PAN, P-A-N, like my name, and you get 10% discount on all your order. Plus, if you spend more than 125 USD, you get free shipping. So that's pretty awesome, right? So yeah, the interior quick detailer. If you guys already used this, let me know. Drop comments. I love your feedback. How do you like the new labeling with coming like this bold kind of lettering, 360 degrees, so you guys always know what you're picking up. All the pictograms that's in the back, more detailed and precise instructions. You guys know how thorough I am. So when you pick up a new product, read the instructions, familiarize yourself with using this, and from then on, it's going to be a piece of cake to use. So easy. The user experience, so important for Clean by Pan, the organizer lineup, and this is no exception. So these two bad boys, you got to try them. The exterior quick detailer, the interior quick detailer for your light cleaning and protection duties. And yeah, drop the comments once again. It's also good to have your feedback. Whatever future products you want me to add. Don't forget, we're adding many new products, right? They're in production right now, depending on when you're watching this video. June 2025 is when I'm filming this now. And we have an iron remover that's coming, an alkaline shampoo, we have an acidic shampoo that's coming, a water spot remover. There's many things coming down the pipeline. Also a collaboration with BioBombs for an air freshener. That'll be crazy sick. So yeah, thanks for your support. I'm grateful towards you guys. You guys made my dreams come true. And I'm happy to report that they're not only selling super well, we sell out many times. We have a hard time keeping up with the demand, but we're working hard, believe me. It's a good problem to have. But I'm still a young business, right? Clean by Pan, the organizer. We launched in September 2024. And again, guys, I am so grateful. When I was young, I couldn't even dream that one day I'd have my detailing brand, but yet here we are with top tier products that you guys are absolutely loving. So thank you 1,000 times. And again, give me feedback when you guys use these and any other new products you want me to start working on. Just let me know, drop comments. All of this stuff will be linked in the description under the video. Of course, go check out the over 1,000, close to 1,100 videos at this point, over 9 years on YouTube. You guys made this one of the biggest detailing channels on YouTube, close to 1.1 million subscribers and close to 160 million views in June of 2025 as I record this. And again, that's all thanks to you. Without you, this channel wouldn't exist. So I'm blessed. I'm blessed with what I believe to be. You guys are the best viewers in the world. So check out other videos to continue learning more about car detailing, all the tips, tricks, product reviews, equipment reviews, tutorials. You guys know you're gonna have a lot of fun watching that, going down the rabbit hole of learning about detailing. But more importantly, I want you guys to have fun and appreciate the experience just like I do still after 28 plus years of detailing. This is still my biggest passion in life. I'm smiling. I'm always smiling when I'm talking about detailing. I could blow your ears off talking about detailing for days on end. You'd tell me to shut up, right, man? So guys, thank you. In the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.